Hi everyone, here's my quick and easy recipe for BIBIM GUKSU, perfect for a hot summer day. First, you're gonna need some somen noodles. I have green tea and regular today. So let's get cooking. Bring 4 cups of water to a boil, then add your somen noodles. Keep an eye on the somen noodles because they're gonna be cooking for about 3 minutes, but you don't want it to boil over. Just lower the heat when you see it starting to rise. Then rinse it under cold water and set aside. Our noodles are set aside, so let's just make that yummy spicy sauce that goes on top. Okay, so for your BIBIM sauce, this is a half a cup of kimchi. I'm just gonna add my 1 tablespoon of gochujang and 2 tablespoons of seasoned rice vinegar. I have 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, and here I have 1 more tablespoon of sugar. Let's just mix that all up. Mix, mix, mix. Okay, now let's just plate it. So you're gonna add a generous amount of the BIBIM sauce on top of your noodles. Add some julienned English cucumbers. I also have some radish sprouts here. And then your toasted sesame seeds. And your boiled egg on top, half in each. And there you go.